fun, learning a lot. Yeah, it's just positive feedback, nothing else. Well, that was the first results on the Google search. Actually the second, and I called the first place. It didn't really impress me. And then I spoke to Shivan. She was the one. Well, the whole attitude towards the studying, towards learning, like I don't want to name the other place. I went there, visited them, and the atmosphere wasn't just what I was looking for. Previous experience?
Yeah.
No, not at all. I came here as an absolute rookie with no knowledge whatsoever, and by this time I feel confident. I feel that I learned a lot. Oh, she's great. Yeah, teacher is just excellent here. Well, pay attention and do it. You know, jump into it. You know, be there 100%.